Hey there friends, I'm back again with another video and today I will teach you how to find your IP address using command prompt. Let's start! First, open up the command prompt on your Windows computer. You can do this by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard or you can use the search bar here on your desktop. And the next thing that you will do is to type cmd. And here is the command prompt. Now you will see a black window with some text. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it looks. All you have to do next is to type in ipconfig. And then press enter. This command will display a bunch of information, but what we're interested in this is the IPv4 address. Look for the line that says IPv4 address under your active network connection. It should look something like 192.168.1.100. So there you have it. The IP address that we are looking for is 192.168.254.107. That is already your IP address, so it depends on what is showing on your end. As for me, it's 192.168.254.107. Remember, your IP address is essential for networking and connecting to the internet. So if you ever need to share it with someone or troubleshoot network issues, you now know how to find it quickly using command prompt. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and once again, thank you for watching how to know your own IP address using command prompt. See you on my next video!